What we're having today? Chocolate tea. Chocolate tea, Jamaican chocolate tea. And I have the milk in there. Well, coconut milk. And right here we have steamed cabbage with saltfish, ripe plantain, green plantain, avocado, and bread. Because piece of me cut off.
Piece of you just for cut off.
Piece of me cut off. So look how in your corner, oh you have so much over there. So
Take it.
you never have to push it like that. You just do this. Better? Better? Alright, say your grace, babe.
You say my own a long time.
You did?
You wait on you.
You know wait for me?
You wait on you. You stop. We do so long.
I think I take out
When
your
you open-
food.
when you
Feel
op-
your present like you take out my food.
When you close your eyes and pray and open, you just
You should
my
have.
food should have gone.
I think that you did it because I feel like you move.
You give me time to do it.
No. I feel like that. I feel like that you did that though. I take out my food. You ever do that when you're picnic? Take out people's food and they might eat?
Shouldn't stop and distract them.
You do that for true? No, it's me can't bother.
Remember when
Hold up your food, Sabi. I want to take one picture. Not a picture, but just hold it up. If you ever look like that, like you can't bother with me again. Come, just hold it up with me, see. It's a thumbnail I want you to do. Nini.
oh my god.
But level it with me now, you're not have to do it, so. Yeah. Tilt it.
If you make my food dash in, me I'll worry.
Alright. Oh my god. You can't bear for nobody disturb you from your big cup.
They get cold.
No cabbage like Jamaican cabbage, man.
Remember. Because I used to try. Zach out to her. Because she don't eat much, you know. She go to the table, she just be chatting and now eat. Father Holly Zach out to her. Father said, alright, man. You know me I gotta do. You know me I gotta do if I get to stop talking and eat. You know, Father, though? Put it to our food now, one. Understand?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I make you get down in eyes and eat your
If
food.
I rice, you just put the rice in a one bowl for me and I will take from it. If I food, dumpling and banana and put everything in a one, I will take from it. The first time you do it, you know, she go and she get liquor. But you see, second time do it, dumpling and banana and something. That time she don't chat and then linger. That empty, you know.
And then Cause that don't make she rush to eat the food now, you know.
Because she knows that if she not, as much as she not eat much, she'll still want something to eat. But by the time she done pick and then they chat and then made and ready for eat, go down in night now, when they look at empty, she ball. Father say, yeah man, There's something you can do if you get up. You never keep it up. Because
No.
at the same time, you want to eat too. You know if you do that, she not
Shark will eat off everything.
That's right, man.
No, stop.
I just put the 12 food in one, man. Let me see that. Wow, it's sweet, man.
Oh, God. The way you use the bar for food when you're little, you just imagine.
I saw me, my father, my bag of food, and my father come, no.
Yeah.
And you know, make my sister cook. You make she look on the fire.
How old you was that time? How old?
We made that about a while ago. Probably about 8, 9, 10, so.
Okay.
I'm gonna live with my mother when you're about. Probably about 13, 14.
You spent some good years with Brooks, man.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're back and forth, you know, because my mother live at Rockford, my father live at Waterhouse.
Right.
And we go to school and we not road.
Okay.
So we got actually go to school. Which one my mother live? Not the close to my mother. And we not know that age. You have to say they're Rockford.
Sam. Give me. Sugar meat ratty. Yeah? Yeah? I'm gonna take same number. Yeah. A ratty, one of my coffee at Jamaica's ratty say at 2 o'clock.
On Sunday.
Oh, so them gone. Guys, we're not up today for Sunday breakfast.
In that time. What in that time?
Brooks,
Yeah.
when you live, how far you live?
Waterhouse and go to school. All the way in Rockford. You have to take 2 buses a month. So. So being nice, I go to school so close to my mother. One time I have my mother, but my father I live with.
You don't want to go for your father? Your father you live with and I go to school.
So the school is close to my mother.
Right. So you ever left from school and go for your mother?
Enough time. I got my mother. I see her, but my father I live with.
Okay.
My mother lives with better than father.
One more cabbage. You got some iron? You give me some iron? Why not?
I said, me get some of my own. Get some of my own. I'm going to take out back some of that part.
What will you eat with it? You say I don't want no bread.
Well, if I'm going to eat bread, I'm going to eat bread. I'm going to take your plantain.
No, you won't. No, you will not.
Crazy.
You tell me that what they when fasting, you not eat our food. I don't think I crave. I think I when people food nice. And when food nice, people sing. What do you think? You think I crave because me cannot crave them.
Better. Say all time days. I need to say that.
All time there's people say all kind of things. Oh gosh. All time there people turn in like that. Sunday morning breakfast. Which is the best breakfast? I asked a question the last time.
Which is the best Sunday morning breakfast? You know after.
Yeah, because I think somebody put it on in the comment section.
So which is the best Sunday morning breakfast?
Yeah. I can saltfish and fried dumpling.
I can saltfish to do anything. Well,
Not anything, but you can't eat just
you know,
one
say,
banana.
I mean, I eat ackee and saltfish. And fried dumpling, I can't eat much fried dumpling with it. I'm eat out 2 fried dumplings, ackee and saltfish.
Like it Clyde?
Yeah, kind of Clyde.
You kind of Clyde for sure. Kind of
But if I
Clyde.
bread, I eat it with, I can't eat. Or boiled food.
Yeah. You eat a belly full.
But the fried dumpling, with the ackee, you know, the ackee and saltfish, it's kind of Clyde.
I'm kind of like ackee and saltfish with fritters too, you know.
Too much saltfish there.
Because saltfish are the fritters. And fritters without saltfish and the fritters that. If you make fritters and you don't put saltfish in there, that's enough fritters.
When you pit there, I don't make fritters. Saltfish always in there. And it's still nice.
Hey,
You put all the seasons in there.
when I fry fritters, I like to put saltfish, scallion, and thyme in there. You bring up a flavor in them and you don't want to stop eat. Just mix up the scallion and put a thyme leaf in there. Although my husband said thyme leaf no good for man.
Say, talk it, understandable.
Everything no good for man, you know. Jamaican man, you don't know all they eat. So they say, it's no good for man. But what me not understand, right? Black pepper no good for man. You say black pepper no good for man. What else you say no good for man again there? Nothing grainy. Anything grainy?
With seed, fine seed and grain.
Like powder season, pepper seed. Them something there.
Pepper seed, no bad. It's just that pepper seed.
What the difference, babe?
Pepper seed are the only seed that grow in the way it drop. Anyway, pepper seed drop it grow, you know? So if you saw that, it will grow in your belly.
Really?
Yeah.
If you don't pass it out. So you know we black down there.
Yeah. If you take too long to pass it out, that's how it grow. You know, yeah.
Must me hear that.
The amount of pepper cheese in my belly.
And that may I say, if black pepper so fine and you are swallow pepper seed, what the difference? Like, get me understand. Cause this no good for man, that no good for man. Because you claim say, what? For me exit. For me exit. We got that man, woman exit. And
the whole people come through. It's very small. The whole food of people come through. Anything can pass through that.
Oh, you know the
Can't
hole.
clog.
Oh, you know the hole where people come to. You ever see it?
Of course.
It's small.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
It look like a hive.
Like an eye?
Mm-hmm.
No. There is a little part inside where the people come through and not the regular part where you think it comes through.
When me think. A Dr. H this, isn't it? Gynecologist.
Describe the part where woman people come through.
Describe it.
Mm-hmm.
It's just a little hole apart from the regular hole.
Okay, Dr.
Top
H.
side.
Just inside.
On the inside, the top side, the regular hole.
Gynecologist.
My breast specialist, gynecologist. I don't have a degree though.
How come you have specialist and have no degree? Go so. If you have a degree, make you a degree.
Okay. You give me a degree for
But
you,
for me,
for everybody. About out other people, other women.
listen?
Hmm?
Listen?
If a doctor supposed to say other woman like,
No. Not like that. Just for me, my degree. Duh.
there's a one burner degree argument.
Yes, you know, if you see nobody else. So wait there. You must get a degree if you go visit that patient. Hmm? Hmm? Answer me. You must get a degree. You hear me? You must get.
Excuse me.
You must give you a degree fee. You see that patient?
You say?
Stop it. Stop it.
That's what some men I hear out of that ears. You know.
I'll slap you with something.
Slap. Garlic.
No, slap. Why would they licking thing, yes, so? Because anytime people say fish or this or that, it always something
You
wrong.
can't talk again.
You cannot, and it
You
is
can't say
here.
number 2. You can't say fish. I mean, well, literally lick your tongue, your liquid. So, when we talk about licking and the other terms, we always have something wrong with us. We have say, like if I slap you, you say, I lick you.
That's crazy, man.
But lick your tongue, you're really liquid. But you can't say number 2, you can't say bottom, you
Yeah.
can't say fish.
Can't say nothing.
What is you can't say?
Foolishness.
If you just careful where you talk and, you know, like when you walk and you have to careful when you step in a dog door. Sometimes you step all the night. Sometimes you make a mistake and go say something here. You then start laugh after here and then start burning you up.
Yeah.
You can't say, go, if you catch up a wood fire, you can't say wood. As a man.
You can't say nothing.
If you say stick.
You ever catch up with fire yet?
Yeah.
And cook pan with fire?
Yeah.
You ever go find bird fullness and find egg a bush? Well, you know, come from bush. You're Kingstonian. Yo, when me a pitney in a man, we used to have whole heap of command for the yard, you know. You see, anytime we find the egg them,
No make nobody know.
no, we don't make nobody know. But anytime we keep on going there, the dogs smell which part we go and find the egg them and eat them. Remember one day, no brother, nobody know there want me now. And we find one egg nest with 12 egg in there and I cook it 12 of them one time I eat them, you know. That time I must have bought 10, 11. I may catch up wood fire out of door because we never have gas stove. And nobody never the warm. I may eat the 12 egg. I don't know how I never have boil. I don't know how I never have boil. And them time they are egg, you know. Them they are egg, you know, brother. I don't know make egg, you know. Them they are real egg.
The real nose knot.
What nose not?
The white part of the egg.
Yeah.
The nose knot, isn't it?
But no go so.
How about them?
Nose not and egg a egg.
How about them? Yeah, take it.
No go so.
Nose knot and yolk make egg.
Then if me not eat the yolk, if me not eat the eye or the egg, cause that are the eye or the egg, the white part. If me not
The white part of the eye?
Yeah.
And the yellow part?
No, yolk are the yellow part. So you say that make nose not?
And nose knot make it.
Yeah, but the fall lay out that, babes. The fall lay out that. The fall eat when I eat feeding, go up in a yard and pick up worm and them something they eat and then go lay when them have egg for lay.
No, I nose knot, but I don't know how I nose knot. Fall nose knot. I know say fall have nose.
Every animal have nose.
I nose knot.
Fall have their little nose right up in the bridge or
So
so.
old.
To look at all. But you pick that out. So I try to pick it out of the eye now because them said that's a danger, I know. I know. And the yolk too. I used to eat too much egg when me a pitney and drink so much cow's milk. Maybe that's why them turn against me so now. The natural cow milk, you go milk it out and wait them there. Put it on the fire.
I call him a bucket.
No. Cow never buck. Cow buck you?
Cow for buck me. I'm not going to your cow. I'm not going to mess with cow titty.
Yeah, but cow run after me already. Cow
So you do the cow.
But like a downhill, and you know, so when them a go downhill, them pressure go down heavy, you know, and you see them a come off, you know. But you see when you try to make a turn, so you have to make sure so you make a fast U-turn. It take them a little while to make a U-turn. When you make a U-turn, you have to make a sharp turn and run back up the hill, and it will take them little time and slow them down. Yeah, cow run off away. Sometimes we trouble cow, if we cow run off away. We not look up pitney, but because we fast. And we set ourselves and pitch out where we are going to do first before we make the cow run off away. We used to make cow run off away. We used to trouble them because we know so they will run off away. But you know the woman cow them not normally do that. It's always the male cow. What do you call it?
Bull.
The bull. The F of them not normally do that. The F of them normally call the woman cow.
What the F I mean?
Yeah, man, I know.
Fuck off.
Jesus. Me never.
Why the man cow have a name? The fuck a cow. The man cow should have name so.
Bull. A bull the man cow name.
That F a man cow should have name so. Oh, F but I mean female. But why?
Maybe.
So why them not say F them not say F cow?
You know the difference.
When they say F now it's like a fuck a cow like. Alright, so Donkey ever bite you yet?
No. But Donkey kicked me already. Donkey kicked me already.
The cow never buck you and donkey not bite you.
No. Where you getting that, man?
Alligator never take him tail and scratch you yet.
No. But roach bite me.
So what the things happen to you, right?
Roach bite me. Let me show you which part roach bite me. Right here, so. You see this? This is a roach bite. I literally pick him out of my skin in my sleep when I look up at me.
One small roach.
One big roach. You see a big? This is a roach bite. It is a roach bite. We don't have roach. When I look up at me, I grew up roach is there at the house.
Didn't say hang up on the road.
Answer. So, I wake up and I sleep and at the floor me that sleep on, you know. At the floor me that sleep on. I wake up and I sleep and feel something wake me up out of my sleep and bite me down in my flesh, you know. And me come so. And all when me come so, he's still down in myself. Me have to pick him out of my skin so. Fast.
How would the roach find in your hands? In your skin,
No, we
so?
used to go to bed dirty when we were like a pitney. We go to bed no beard. Or we eat before we go to bed. Yo.
So dirty, I dirty, my dig out of
We
your
go to
skin.
river. I know that, you know. I know say we go to bed dirty. We go to river. We always go river go beard. So it's like if you go to river at 3 o'clock and you not eat dinner yet, when you come home, you have to eat dinner and you have to sleep same way. No, you will not wash the hand, no do nothing and them something there. Can you see you never have running water growing up and everything? You make gravel go down in my tea, you know?
Me make gravel go along your tea.
I just sold a piece of chocolate a while ago.
Then a chocolate tea I drink.
So,
I make a gravel tea I drink.
I sold a piece of chocolate a while ago.
Nah, kill you. I'm a roach.
Take me into your loving arms. We're about to end this video. Guys, we're about to end this video. Thank you guys so much for watching us, eating our breakfast. Hold on.
Marketing.
Oh.
Some marketing something.
Thank you guys so much for watching us eating our breakfast on Sunday morning. You guys bless up on yourself. One love, unity, strength, power. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Share it if you care, guys.
Which one you do first? You like first, you comment first, or you share first, or subscribe first? Which one?
Okay. So first, normally when we go on YouTube,
You watch a video
we watch a
first.
video.
So after you watch it now, then you
After
like
I
it.
watch it, I like it.
After you like it, then
After I like it,
you subscribe.
I comment underneath it.
So you subscribe at the last
No,
one.
me subscribe. After me watch it, me subscribe to the channel. And then me like the video. And comment. And then me share it.
And share in the last one.
Yeah. Share it the last one. After me done do what me I do and please myself, then me share it. And share it on my status or share it on my Facebook or share it to individual on WhatsApp. That's where I mostly share my video on WhatsApp. Share it to individual on WhatsApp. Sometimes I watch a video on YouTube and I say, you know, I know that person here would I really be interested in this video. I'm always share it to them. Like it, comment, and share it. Sometimes I tell them, say thanks for the video because that actually give me, open up my eyes to certain things and them. So I like comment on people's video now. Just especially if it's a nice, if it's a violent video, no, me not comment on it. But if it's a nice video, comment. Okay, guys. One love.
One heart. One destiny.
Yeah. Encouragement. Let's get together and sing. YouTube, you go tell me say a copyright, you know? You don't like it when me sing. And think you can go so, or you follow somebody and don't like you when they sing, or when they sound like jump on. Not true?
And are you love when I sing? When we meet you, when I sing.
Yes. Remember one weekend me I go for mommy. One weekend me I go for mommy and me in the car I sing. And you tell me, oh, me can't sing. Them time they know you just a fall in love with me, you know. So everything when me do, foolishness or no foolishness, nothing no wrong for me. Nothing no wrong. Nothing when me do, no wrong for you.
But remember, you know, better sing off everyone just like that.
Nothing when me do no wrong
Music
for
I play
you.
in the car, just a sing along.
Yeah, but I sing along.
So the music we play, carry off is singing.
Nothing when me do. No singing when me do now. Lord Jesus, and when me I sing Jerusalem, that's the only song I ain't really like when me sing Jerusalem. Jerusalem. Ill on the Lord's side. Alright. Ooh, Bella me. What's up?
Copyright.
Adios, guys.
Peace.
Sure, take care.